All right, guys, the 2021 MATC Auto 1 Tool Show. This is the Napa display. A lot of nice stuff going on here. Super cool tools. Feels good in your hands. Okay. It's Don and Craig. They're soft. So, do you have any questions for Craig in front of everybody here about the tools? Huh? What did you ask him?
Huh?
What'd you ask him?
I asked about the discount.
Oh, what did he say?
I asked how long it was going to last.
All right. Craig, how long is that discount going to last?
Don says it's through the whole school year, so all they need to do is bring in their school ID and bring in the price list. We'll leave you some price list for the other students.
Okay.
Come on down, see us at the store.
And is that the College Avenue store?
That's the store on College Avenue, yep.
That's correct.
Any other stores that are closer to some of my students or no?
That is the closest store, and that is the one we represent for the school. So
Okay.
But the part numbers are good at any Indianapolis store, but the pricing we're giving you is for our store.
Oh, okay. So another store might not give them the same pricing.
You have to check with each
Or we could check with you or call you.
Company-owned stores can, but they are only going to give you the pricing off of that sheet.
Gotcha.
If they would need something else, I can look up the pricing.
Okay.
And give them the same discount.
All right. So we'll bring this sheet back to class. Help you out with all that.
And our Carlisle tools are a lifetime warranty. The hand tools, they're good nationwide warranty as well. Which means you can move away somewhere else. You'll have somebody to take your warranty issues up with anywhere in the country.
Awesome.
That does help.
And they feel good. So pick one up. What do you think?
Good quality? Yep, really good
Great.
quality.
Awesome.
They feel good?
Yeah.
The ratchet's nice, yeah?
Drop all the way down here to bite it.
Okay. Super cool. Good job. Thanks, Craig. Thanks, Don. Thanks, Saw.
Thank you.
All right. Yep. Move around and kind of watch some of these other ones. That was Napa. There's the Camaro. Vroom, vroom. This is the Macco.
Auto body. Oh, your auto body. So this is auto body 1 and 2, both sides. Anybody in auto body, this is your 1 and 2, and then this is 3. This is auto body 3.
There you go.
Auto body 3. You're an auto 1.
It's our Saturn, our plastic body car. This is Mac Tools.
Alright guys, I'll explain some of these tools. You guys have any tools yet? Okay, this kit right here, guys, it's an awesome deal. So right here, back here, is what you're gonna pay. Regular price is $49.78. You're gonna pay $27.51. What this is, you guys get 50. If you buy a kit, you get 60%. Okay, so you guys make sure you buy tools when you're in school. You guys, even when you graduate, you get 2 weeks after to buy tools. Because I know sometimes you have to pay the cash. We also have a Mac credit program to help you with it. It's like a credit card for tools. So what you do with that is you buy something for $1,500 or pay maybe right 20 to 25 bucks a week. Okay. We have some of the best tools in the market, like our wrenches and pricing. A lot of people don't know this, but we're the biggest tool company in the world. You guys know that? So you got this and this. And what that means to you guys is a lot of our tool companies that we own, like DeWalt and Porter Cable and all that stuff, what that does is other companies have to pay other people to make tools and don't install the system for other companies. So that means less expensive to you because we don't have to pay somebody, right? So we're about 10 to 50% less than the competitors. Just for this wrench set, it's usually $290. You're gonna walk away and pay half of that price. So that's an awesome price for a set of wrenches. You go to the competitors, you're talking 5, 6, 7, $800 for a set of wrenches for half that. Plus, you guys are going to get a discount, 50% off of those items. Obviously, you probably want to buy the standard, buy the metric, sure. The metric goes from 6 to 19, the bigger set goes from 20 to 24. And then you get even the bigger set. So, guys, any questions? Okay. Get everything? Yeah. Okay. Okay, automotive or? Okay.
Yeah, but good evening, fellas.
So look into the camera and say what you just told me again.
Tomorrow.
So, what did you leave at school?
Our backpacks
And
Don't kill me in this.
and
and the parking pass.
all right, thank you.
And I left my paint tools.
Oh well, sucks for you. Nope. No, don't be saying that. This is the Snap-on set. Hey, you are my friend. Oh, jeez. Hey, Josh, we're just following Saw around. This is like a day in the life. Yeah, so whatever you say, just say it out loud, and we get it all set up. All right, good. He's going to sign you up for the SCP program too, right? Yeah.
They're just
I heard also I was going to see you again.
No, I made sure.
Are you still at the place?
Yeah, yep. Still working there.
So you're downtown?
Yes.
You're downtown? You have a cell phone on you? Yeah. Yeah, just register now. It'll be easier and I can approve you. And then it allows you to go on there.
Steve went up at Milwaukee.
Yep. You got questions?
It's definitely different.
Oh yeah, I remember. I got you.
See, so I told you guys he was going to be handing out little screwdrivers if he made it, and he didn't.
Full battery? What's up? Full battery right now? That one probably not. I used it off and on. I pulled my tires off on my side of it. Okay.
Tough on the equipment, you know? It always works.
Oh, no.
This is 460 with 2 batteries and charger. Okay. Nice. Oh, so you got the
This one
right here, though, unless you're doing anything crazy, like this is 120 foot-pounds, right? Which is more than anything. Like you know, on the side and work on a set of wheels and tires. Like just to pull it off, and the weight difference is like significant. That one could be more expensive than half inch stuff.
No, we're not getting there.
565, 2 batteries and a charger in the bag.
Said 565. So can I use my student?
That's with the discount. And then that 14.4 one, this is 301. This one is a battery and a charger.
Oh, well, I'm gonna get this
Walking your anything as a college. State Street. Oops, sorry. State Street. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, bro. What do you do in that one?
What happened to the Focus?
Car, automotive, right? Yeah. And then we snap it off.
I'm going to use it on the suspension. The ones that have to heat up to the red hot.
Trying to get the focus again. There we go. There we go.
When do our graduate? When do we graduate?
May.
You know the
What?
what day?
I'd have to check. I'd have to check the calendar. May 19th or something. I would put the end of May. Just put May 31st. Give you a couple extra days. Right? Just gonna buy some stuff.
Bro, they got midnight.
Downtown.
Yeah, he's with me. They're with me.
All right, so
Not this one and those two. I don't know where the other ones are from.
I'll come. We'll set up the time for
Yeah.
you to come down and talk.
Okay.
Because I talked to all these other guys last week.
Okay.
So, and I got them all set up. So I'll do the same thing. I'll set up time with you to come down and talk to you about it.
Perfect.
And then that way,
You'll bring the books along and the
Yeah,
little
right.
pocket screwdrivers.
you guys get so many, you guys get so much information today that I always try to
Yep.
do it on a one-on-one basis.
Yep.
Because it is such a good program, and I don't want to
Cool.
have it kind of go.
Yeah, no,
over your
no.
head.
Send me an email. We'll do it. You know, late morning is fine.
Perfect.
Thanks, Josh.
Perfect.
Cool. All right. Look at those two on the end going through all the catalog stuff. They want to spend all their money right now, one place. Those are cool. You just lay them on the car. You're like on the fender or something,
Yeah.
and then all your stuff sticks there instead of rolling off.
Right.
On top of the, you know.
Yeah.
Good idea.
I know. Just lift it up like it's a flag. Hey!
Don't go yet.
Slow man at work. Go, don't go, right? Yeah. Good stuff. Super cool. All right.
Yeah, real nice.
Just gonna walk around a little bit. Go over by the Camaro. You see the Napa guys again. We'll swing over. You see some of the teachers. Mr. Hoffman, Mr. Anderson, Mr. Shallett. You're on YouTube. Too late. Huh? Oh. This is the Camaro. Put a bunch of parts on this. We were up at West Bend Dyno. We did the valve covers, coil reattachments, the airbox. It's a West Bend Dyno custom part. High flow intake that gives you another 15 horsepower. And again, the valve covers from Wagner Automotive. And then relocating the coils, get them up away from the heat. Cool setup. Super cool. The students did that during Hot Rod 2 years ago. So and it's a 6-speed transmission, so it's manual. Nobody will steal it. You don't know how to drive it. There you go. All right. I'll talk to you later. I don't know where the Subaru is. Oh, it's right there. Right behind the Napa guys. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. The recovery. There's the Subaru WRX. All right. That's the end of today's tour. See you later. Bye.